Hey guys, welcome back to the new video, and this new video will be talking about how to be an effective coder. For coding you need effective practices and the learning, and although you have to code for maybe 10 hours or 12 hours, no, that's not the matter of how many hours you invest in coding, but the matter is how consistent you are, and what topic are you learning, and how keen you are at mastering the topic. So if you code, even if you code for 12 hours and 10 hours, you'll not be able to code effectively if you don't understand the topic. For understanding topic, you need to clear your concepts and go through it again and again. If you don't understand, if once you get the topic, understandable languages, and you will be able to crack through it, and you will be able to master it in real time. So if you want to learn all these skills, then I'll share a link to the Udemy channels. From there I have been learning a lot. There have been a good learner and a good teacher who have initiated all the topics and the concepts clear to me, and whose videos I watch daily and practice my coding skills. So if you want to go through it, then I'll put a link. If you want to buy that course, that will cost around 300 to 400, or maybe higher than that. And if you are really interested, you can buy that courses. That is not done by me, but there are other learners or other teachers who have made that course, and that's a very good course. If you buy that, then you will be able to understand the concept of data structures, which I have been following. Abdul Bari is a good teacher. I will learning his videos. I have been learning from his videos, and have learned a lot. So you can also start here coding through his watching through his videos. It is very good and effective. Thank